अस्सलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे MCQs रिगार्डिंग सर्टेन हेमाटोलॉजिक कंडीशंस। फर्स्ट MCQ है, a 16-year-old boy is brought to your office by his mother. He has noticed a significant swelling in the left supraclavicular area that has been present for approximately 4 months. He did not think it was important initially, but when it gradually increased in size, he became concerned. According to the patient, it has not been tender or warm to touch. He has no fever, chills, nausea, vomiting, and other symptoms. On examination, vital signs are normal. A mass measuring 2.5 into 1.5 centimeter is palpated overlying the trapezius muscle superior to the left scapula. His thorax is otherwise normal to palpation, auscultation, and percussion. The abdomen is soft. There is no hepatomegaly or splenomegaly. The skin is benign. No significant lymph node enlargement is present in the cervical, axillary, or inguinal regions. Select the best answer to the following questions. What is the appropriate definitive diagnostic step for this patient? Options में है a complete blood workup, a fine needle biopsy, an excisional biopsy, a chest radiograph, none of the above. इसमें करेक्ट आंसर है an excisional biopsy. Second है the evaluation process. The evaluation produces a report that reads as following. Read Steinberg cells present. What is the most likely diagnosis? करेक्ट आंसर है Hodgkin disease. Hodgkin disease में रीड स्टीनबर्ग सेल्स होते हैं. What is the next step in the investigation of this patient? ऑप्शंस में है CT स्कैन, रेडिएशन थेरेपी, कॉम्बिनेशन कीमोथेरेपी, बोन स्कैन. इसमें A and D ठीक है. CT स्कैन ऑफ द एब्डोमेन एंड बोन स्कैन. In the staging of the disease from which this patient suffers, there are two significant categories, A and B. What to do these two categories refer? Correct answer है presence or absence of symptoms. The patient disease is staged and is found to have disease throughout the mediastinum but not below the diaphragm. At this type, what type of therapy is administered? इसमें correct option है combination chemotherapy plus radiotherapy. The patient's mother asks you about his prognosis. Which of the following is not true? कौन सा true नहीं है? इसमें है once treated, he will have little risk of recurrence. Second MCQ है, a 62-year-old man with swelling in his neck, elbows and chest pain comes to your office to reassure himself about some swelling in his neck, elbows as well as some chest pain. The other presenting symptom is profound fatigue for 3 months. On examination, his vital signs are normal, but he looks pale. He has unintentional weight loss of 20 pounds 1 year ago. He has multiple enlarged cervical lymph nodes and palpable bilateral epitrochlear nodes measuring about 1 to 2 cm in diameter. His liver edge is palpable, approximately 3 cm below the left costal margin, and the tip of the spleen can be felt when he lies on his side. If you could select one test to perform on this patient, तो आप कौन सा टेस्ट चूज़ करेंगे? इसमें करेक्ट है एक्सिजनल लिम्फ नोड बायोप्सी. The test you ordered is performed. The result shows diffuse small cleaved cell, diffusely poorly differentiated lymphocytic histology. Based on what you currently know, what is the most likely diagnosis? Diagnosis क्या है इसका? Non-Hodgkin lymphoma. The patient turns out to have advanced stage of non-Hodgkin lymphoma. The treatment of choice may include which of the following? Correct है हमारे पास C and D. Interferon alpha and monoclonal antibodies, intensive chemotherapy and radiotherapy. 10th है, which of the following statement is true regarding the illness seen in this patient? Correct है, there appears to be a relationship with the Epstein-Barr virus in some forms of disease. MCQ 3 है, a 62-year-old man with bone pain in his breastbone and skull comes to your office, complain of bone pain in his breastbone and skull. He tells you about the pain first occurred a year ago. He was sure it was not serious, but the wife kept bugging him until he gave in and made an appointment. The patient appears pale and tells you that he has been feeling tired lately and a bit weak, depressed, and maybe confused. He had a touch of flu a few months ago. His wives tell you that this touch of flu was actually bacterial pneumonia. On examination, the patient has a tender sternum, tender occipital area of skull, and pale conjunctiva. You perform a series of laboratory tests. The results are this. Based on the information you now have for this case, what is the most likely diagnosis? Correct option है multiple myeloma. 12 है further investigation. Your findings. What is the treatment of choice at this time? Correct option है induction therapy and then bone marrow transplantation. 13 MCQ में बस the patient disease is a result of proliferation of which of the following? Correct answer है plasma cells. अब है मैचिंग क्वेश्चन. मैच ईच नंबर्ड क्वेश्चन इन पार्ट बी डिस्क्राइबिंग a hematologic disorder with appropriate disease listed in part A. Each disease may be used once, twice, thrice or not at all. पार्ट ए में डिजीज़ हैं, ऑप्शन दिए में A to Z और पार्ट बी में डिजीज़ का इस तरह चूज़ करना है. नंबर 1, disease is associated with excessive proliferation of erythroid, granulocytic and megakaryocytic precursors. Splenomegaly is almost universal. Disease has significantly elevated red blood cell mass. Patient presents with plethora. Thrombocytosis होता है. इसमें करेक्ट ऑप्शन है हमारे पास W, polycythemia rubra vera. 15 है disease produces a major disorder of the bone marrow. Splenomegaly is present in all patients. As the disease progresses, patients experience weight loss, skin and mucous membrane bleeding, bone pain, jaundice and lymphadenopathy. Bone marrow tap is almost always unsuccessful as it is known as a dry tap. Bone marrow biopsy reveals fibrosis of bone marrow spaces and osteosclerosis. इसमें करेक्ट ऑप्शन है हमारे पास Z, myelofibrosis. 16 is this disease has the presence of Philadelphia chromosome. When this disease is diagnosed, the total white blood cell count is often greater than 2 lakh. The disease usually follows this course: chronic phase of variable duration, blastic transformation with some patient experiencing a distinct intermediate accelerated phase. The most consistent physical finding is splenomegaly. This is most serious hematologic disorder diagnosed in patients who survived the atomic bombs of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Choice correct है इसमें P. Chronic myelogenous leukemia. Okay, now 17 MCQ है. This form of leukemia is the most common form of leukemia in the US. The disease is usually seen in patients older than 50 years. The abnormal cells morphologically resemble mature small lymphocytes of the peripheral blood and accumulate in the bone marrow, blood lymph nodes and spleen in large numbers. The disease has an indolent nature. Median survival is greater than 10 years and many patients require no treatment. Correct answer इसमें है M, chronic lymphocytic leukemia. Now 18. The disease has a characteristic cell that exhibits cytoplasmic projections on their surface. The disease is the result of an expansion of neoplastic type B lymphocytes. This disease usually presents in male patients older than 40 years. Approximately 30% of the patients with this disease has vasculitis-like disorder. The treatment of choice for this disease is cladribine. Correct है इसमें U, hairy cell leukemia. 19. This disease is a disease of children and young adults. This disease is characterized by clonal proliferation of immature hematopoietic cells. The most common abnormal cells seen on bone marrow biopsy are immature lymphoblasts. Infection is nearly universal complication. Approximately 50% of the patients are either cured or characterized as being in long-term remission. ये करेक्ट है. ठीक है, इसका करेक्ट आंसर है I, acute lymphocytic leukemia. Now 20. The incidence of this disease increases with increasing age. The most common abnormal cells seen on bone marrow biopsy are immature myeloblasts or immature promyelocytes. Some patients with this disease develop the disease after either a pre-leukemia pre-leukemia syndrome or a myelodysplastic syndrome. Between 10% and 30% of the patients with this disease survive 5 years. Most of these patients are likely to survive long term. Bone marrow transplantation from either an identical twin or a human leukocyte antigen identical sibling is an important part of treatment. इसका करेक्ट है O, acute myelogenous leukemia. Now 21. This disease usually follows recovery from either a viral exanthem or a viral upper respiratory tract illness. The acute form of this disease is caused by immune complexes containing viral antigens that bind to platelet receptors. This disease produces a profound rapid decrease in cell line in question. Corticosteroids are the antigen of choice in the treatment of this disease. In severe cases of this disease, splenectomy may need to be performed. इसका करेक्ट है E, idiopathic thrombocytic purpura. Okay, now 22. This is the most common inherited bleeding disorder. The fact that is missing in this disease is responsible for platelet addition. The factor that is missing in this disease also serves as a platelet carrier for factor VIII. Women with this disorder initially may be diagnosed because of severe menorrhagia. The treatment of choice for this disease is cryoprecipitate. आंसर है इसका S, von Willebrand disease. Now 23. This disease is associated most frequently with obstetric catastrophes. Other major causes of this disease are major trauma, metastatic malignant neoplasms, and bacterial sepsis. In this disease, the combination of potent thrombogenic stimuli causes the deposition of small thrombi and small emboli throughout the microvasculature. Most patients with this disease have extensive skin and mucous membrane bleeding and hemorrhage. From multiple sides. Patient with bleeding as a major symptom should receive fresh frozen plasma as therapy for this disorder. Correct है इसका J, disseminated intravascular coagulation. Now 24. Symptoms include episodes of acute severe pain. Pain episodes can be caused by dehydration, infection, or weather change. Pain episodes can be associated with fever, trachepnea, nausea, and vomiting. This is an inherited disorder. There is an increased risk of stroke at a young age. The disease is characterized by functional asplenia. So correct है F, sickle cell disease. Now 25. Bone marrow shows diminished or absent hemopoietic precursors. This disorder is characterized by pancytopenia on peripheral blood analysis. This disorder can be congenital. This disorder can be acquired from exposure to drugs and chemicals, ionizing radiation, or viruses. इसका correct है A, aplastic anemia. उम्मीद है लेक्चर आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहा होगा. थैंक यू सो मच.